In this video, we're making this delicious strawberry juice that is super refreshing. These are all the ingredients, so let's get started. First, to a blender jar, you're going to add in all of the ingredients, so that is the strawberries, the water, lemon juice, sugar, salt, and some ice cubes. And then you're going to add on the lid and blend this for about 2 to 3 minutes till it's all nicely juiced up. Then pour it in a glass and serve it fresh. This serves one person, but you can double or triple the quantities and adjust it according to how many people you have. See you with the new recipe. Bye!